What's going on, guys? So this is my stock 2009 Chevy Silverado. It's got the legendary 4.8 engine. Obviously not the awesome 5.3, but it is a great engine. But the exhaust, it kind of sounds terrible at stock. So let's go ahead and put some straight pipes on this. But beforehand, I want y'all to hear what it sounds like. So this is completely straight from the factory. Muffler, resonators, cats, everything. I'm gonna do dual cat back. So from the cat's back, dual straight pipes with 3x18-inch tips probably. But let's have y'all hear this. What I'll do is I'll crank it up with a remote start. It's already warmed up, so it won't be a cold start. I'll rev it to 1500, 2500, and then over $3,000, so y'all can get a feel for it. And then tomorrow the exhaust gets put on. Once the exhaust is put on, I'll go ahead and make a similar video so y'all can hear it. All right, remote start first. Doesn't sound bad. Let me go ahead and go rev it for you. Alright, so that is the complete stock exhaust on this truck and how it sounds. Stay tuned, right, here we go. Done. So I went with 4-inch tips, true duals, X-piped, 445 with tags and everything. True duals all the way up. Got the cats all the way back. Remote start. Not too loud. Thanks for watching this video. This was the 4.8 V8 on my 09 Silverado, being straight piped, 4-inch tips, X-pipe, true dual. It was 445 at my local exhaust shop, so it might be more or less depending on where you go. But I figured, you know what? It's not super loud. It's not super crazy because I left the cats. Some people don't like the poppiness, but it's only poppy when you're about 4,000 RPM, and I don't plan to stay at 4,000 RPM. So if you enjoyed this video, definitely hit that like button. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. And if there's anything you want to see done to this truck, definitely leave a comment below, and I'm going to try to do a whole bunch more stuff to it. I got lid frames, tires, all that coming. We've already done tint, BIC, dual exhaust, CB antenna, headlight restoration, sound system's partially done. I still got a lot of work to do on that. I'm going to bed line it. So yeah, just stay tuned, guys. Thanks for watching.